What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Zarina Love, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys see, I'm in the kitchen, so you know what that means. I'm about to get ready to cook. And yes, I'm about to get ready to cook. I just said that. I know. I'm about to get ready to cook some chicken and some chicken tenders and some rice and some butter. And on top of that, I'm about to whip up that sugar, because you know I get that sugar, you know I get that butter. You know when I mix it up, it's going to be that. Alright, anyways, y'all. So, anyways, y'all, I just said that too. But anyways, I just said it again. Y'all, hold on. I gotta put the video. Alright, guys. So first, I'm gonna fill, of course, the pot up with some water for the rice, because I said I was making rice. Ooh, water, yes. Okay, then we're gonna put it up there. The eye's already on. Keep that running, guys. So you already know who's got the camera in their hand when it's this angle, because unfortunately, he doesn't know how to record just yet. So, anywho, let's get into the video. We go ahead and start with the wings and start getting ready to cook.
Whoa, she got the wings.
I gotta rinse this off first. Let me rinse this off. Ah.
Hey, man. That's that wrong to the thing. Them folks don't want to see the thing like this.
Alright. Mozzie, watch out. Mozzie, you in here, baby.
Damn, that's chicken? Oh, my God.
Somebody must do what you like. Stop, baby. Move, baby. He touching the food. He gotta get out. Hold up, y'all. Ooh, I don't know. Ah! Ooh, that burn. I don't know what's on my hand. Something burn. I don't know. Mozzie, get out. They season on it. That's some pepper things. Chris want to know why the chicken look like this. Whoever the chicken person. We want to know what's up in there. Let's rinse all these chickens off and I'm come back to y'all. This one the hot as hell. Give it a little stir, you guys, okay? We're going to give it just a little bit of stir. We're going to give it a little bit of stir. And we're going to come back to this in about 10 minutes as well. This is raw meat. I'm about to actually put it in the freezer, so by the time you can get all the seasoning, sauce it, and I'll put it in there. But anyway, how you feeling about the food, baby?
I feel good about the food. I feel hungry for it.
Alright, you guys, so as you see, I done already put the chicken inside of the pot. I'm going to give this about 15 minutes before we come back into it and flip it over, just because we want it cooked well done. Alright, so I already added the rice into the pot. And as right now, it's not doing anything, but you gotta let this cook for about 20 minutes. And add some butter to it, which is about 15 minutes cooked through. I'm sure y'all, anyways. But yeah, y'all see it. You guys, so this is how everything came out. That's the chicken. I got the chicken tenders in here cooking right now. And then I have the rice with the butter. I wanted to just show you guys that before we eat it up, because I know I'm not about to probably end up finishing this vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching.